फलस्तीनियों की इमदाद के लिए पाकिस्तान दवाओं, कंबल, खैमों पर मबनी इमदादी सामान गजा भेज रहा है। तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा का कहना है कि इमदादी खुसूसी तैयारे में मिस्र पहुंचाया जाएगा, जहां गजा रवाना किया जाएगा।
Strongly condemn the Israeli aggression and blockade, particularly the recent attack on a Gaza hospital. We call for an immediate ceasefire and end to the siege of Gaza. At the urgent ministerial meeting of the OIC Executive Committee held in Jeddah yesterday, the foreign minister stressed that the core issue underlying the conflict was the failure to implement the two-state solution. Pakistan is sending humanitarian assistance for our Palestinian brothers and sisters. A chartered aircraft carrying 100 tons of essential medical supplies, tents and blankets depart from Islamabad to Egypt. From Egypt, these items will be transferred to the people of Gaza.